Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing HGU New York. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, pet-friendly, restaurant, room service, facilities for disabled guests and a bar. HGU New York. The HGU New York is housed in a restored 1905 Beaux Arts structure, and is equipped with modern amenities. Located in Midtown, HGU New York is 1,050 feet away from the Empire State Building and only 250 feet from the 33rd Street Lexington Avenue Subway station. The reception at HGU New York has marble floors in the rooms, halls and living spaces have been adorned with various art pieces. HGU New York offers concierge services and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the property. A farm-to-table restaurant is located on the ground floor. There is also a lobby bar and a lounge, as well as Rose Hill Rooftop, where guests can enjoy music and silent classic movies while having a cocktail with a view of the Empire State Building. The Madison Square Park is 2,100 feet and the Union Square is 0.9 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.